If you've been stuck trying to launch your first money-making website, build an email list, or run affiliate campaigns, but the tech keeps knocking you down, stop scrolling. This might be the only beginner-friendly system that finally gets you over the finish line. The Newbie Success Formula is one of the clearest, most step-by-step beginner launch systems I've seen in a long time. It removes the tech overwhelm, gives you templates, checklists, and even handholding so you're never stuck. If you've tried and failed before, this one is worth a serious look. The Newbie Success Formula is a complete A to Z training and implementation system designed for true beginners. No list, no tech skills, no experience needed. It shows you how to launch your first professional website, build automated email sequences, and deploy high-converting affiliate campaigns. It's for beginners who keep saying, "I almost launched," but never get to the finish line because everything feels too complicated. The biggest problem it solves is guesswork. You don't have to figure out what to click, what tools to use, or what order to follow. Everything is laid out for you in a linear path. When you log in to the Newbie Success Formula dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is how simple the layout is. You're taken through their zero guesswork launch flow, starting with Module 1, the Digital Claim Protocol, where you set up your domain, hosting, and core foundations. Next, Module 2 walks you through the business assembly system. This is where your site actually takes shape. They show you exactly what to install, how to structure your pages, and how to make everything look polished without design skills. Module 3 is your control panel advantage, which helps you understand your tools without overwhelm. Module 4 activates your silent sales engine. This is your automated email setup so your business runs even when you're not online. From there, you move into attention building, list growing strategies, authority positioning, and income deployment. It's all screen-driven, click-by-click training. You simply follow along and do what you see on the screen. When you check out, you may see optional upgrades. These usually include advanced funnels, done-for-you templates, traffic strategies, or more automation tools. These upgrades are not required, but they can speed up your results if you want shortcuts or more done-for-you resources. Always check the pricing on the checkout page because Warrior Plus products can change based on promotions, but most upgrades tend to be value-packed and time-saving.
Hey, it's Kevin Faddy here. Straight up, let's cut the crap. You've been told that building a real online business takes months, even years of grind and confusion and failure. You've been told you need to be a tech genius or some sort of marketing prodigy. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. What if you could launch your first professional website and your first complete, ready to profit affiliate campaign not in 6 months, not in 6 weeks, but in a single day? Before your head hits the pillow tonight, you could be live, operational business owner. Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how. But first, let's be brutally honest about why you're here. You're stuck. You're drowned in a sea of shiny objects, jumping from one guru's broken promise to the next. You've probably got a hard drive full of courses you've never finished, and a wallet that's a lot lighter for it. You feel that sinking pit in your stomach when you see another person celebrating their first commission while you're still stuck on step one, staring at that blinking cruiser. Listen to me, it's not your fault. You've been playing a rigged game. The online marketing world is filled with people selling abstract theories that they've never actually used to build something from scratch. They're designed to keep you confused, dependent, and always buying the next thing. My name is Kevin Faddy, and for the last 18 years, I haven't been selling dreams from a rented mansion. I've been in the digital trenches, building real multi-seven-figure businesses from the ground up. I've seen every trend come and go, and I've tested every strategy. And along the way, I've personally coached tens of thousands of students, people just like you, out of their den jobs and into lives of freedom and control, building their own 6 and even 7-figure online incomes. The difference between them and everyone else, they stopped listening to the noise and started using a proven blueprint. This is the blueprint I've distilled my entire 18-year playbook into under one undeniable click-by-click implementation system. Let me introduce the Newbie Success Formula. This isn't a course you watch, it's a system you execute. It's a cure for overwhelm. Inside, you'll master the complete 10-module, zero guesswork success flow. First, we build your fortress and we'll master the digital claim protocol. Stop preparing and start owning digital ground. The business assembly system transformed that blank screen into a real business structure. The control panel advantage, where tech complexity evaporates and is replaced with pure power. Then we install your 24/7 income engine. You'll deploy the silent sales engine so your business finally starts working for you even while you sleep. The attention architect system to create digital assets that attract subscribers and sales. The affiliate authority engine to stop random promoting and start building a real sustainable income. Finally, we teach you to command growth like a pro. You'll implement the value multiplier system to make buying from you the only logical choice. The income deployment formula to strategically trigger and scale your revenue. The traffic ignition protocol, where traffic isn't luck, it's a switch you flip on. The momentum command formula, the final key to scaling your wins and thinking like a 7-figure marketer. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up tomorrow and instead of confusion, you have a live website. Instead of guesswork, you have an automated email system already working. Instead of confused, you have your first affiliate campaign deployed and ready to make sales. Imagine the feeling of control, the unshakable confidence that comes with knowing you can sit down at any time and deploy a new income stream from scratch. That's not a fantasy. That's what having a real blueprint feels like. Look, I know that even with imperfect system, you might hit a snag, and that's why I'm stacking the deck so far in your favor. It's almost impossible for you to fail. When you join today, I'm giving you my personal success acceleration kit of 5 powerful bonuses. Bonus number 1, the live Newbie Success webinar. Got a question? Get on a call live with me. We'll solve it for you on the spot. No more being stuck. I'll show you how to get more done in 2 hours than most people do in a week. This is how you build an empire in your spare time. Bonus number 3, 3 plug and profit list building funnels. These aren't templates. These are my own proven funnels ready for you to copy and paste and start collecting leads and sales tonight. Bonus 4, the private Facebook mastermind group. You will not be alone. This is your 24/7 success circle where you can get feedback, support, and accountability. Bonus number 5, the business with AI training. I'll give you the unfair advantage by showing you the exact AI tools we use to automate tasks and dominate our competition. All right, let's talk about the investment. You've seen the proof, you've seen the system. You're getting my entire 10-module formula backed by 18 years of proven results, plus the entire bonus success acceleration kit. The real world documented value of this package is $6,369. But you're not going to pay that. For this limited launch special, I'm doing something crazy. For a limited time, the entire training program and bonuses is available at a massive discount. Once this launch special ends, the price will jump to its real value of at least $197. This is your one and only shot. And just to take every last shred of risk off your shoulders, your tiny investment is protected by my 30-day, no questions asked, ironclad money-back guarantee. Go through the entire system. If you're not blown away, if you don't feel the shift from confused to confident, you can get every penny back. Simple as that. This is your moment. The 9 to 5 you hate, the freedom you crave, the income you deserve. It's right here. You're at the crossroads. Down one path is the same frustration you're living now. Down the other path is a proven blueprint for a new life. Stop being a spectator. It's time to become the success story. I've given you the map. Now it's time to take the first step. Click the button below now. Lock in your insane discount and let's get your business live today.
When you get the Newbie Success Formula through the link below, you also unlock my exclusive bonus bundle designed to multiply your results. Here's what you get today. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create engaging, high-impact slideshows that boost time on page and conversions. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Instantly speed up your site and lower bounce rate. Bonus 3, Leadbook Generator. Pull Facebook leads directly into your autoresponder without manual work. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails to increase urgency and conversions. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Boost your Google Ads conversion ratio with smarter optimization. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding. Bonus 7, Action Poll. Segment your list automatically for higher profits. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for better rankings and more organic traffic. Bonus 9, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Add beautiful opt-in bars that grow your email list fast. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Instant content sites you can launch or use for SEO power. And that's just the start. All these bonuses are instantly available after purchase, but only through the link below. If you're tired of being stuck, tired of almost starting, and tired of watching others succeed while you spin your wheels, then the Newbie Success Formula gives you the clearest, most beginner-friendly path I've seen. But here's the catch. The bonus bundle is only available for a limited time, and access may close once the founder's launch ends. If you want the special price and the massive bonus package, use the link below before this expires. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more honest reviews and beginner-friendly online income guides. After you purchase, your bonuses will be waiting in your Warrior Plus account under the Product Access section. Click the link below now to lock in your copy of the Newbie Success Formula and your exclusive bonus bundle.